Now that you have set up your Manychat account, we need it to be a pro account so that we can use all the features they are having, like pulling in emails, pulling in phone numbers, sending out emails from your Manychat account as well, activating SMS. So here you set up your Manychat account. The next step is we are going into settings. And that's all pretty quick and self-explanatory, but I want you to put your billing information right on here. So it says upgrade to pro. I will not do it because this is our test account. We don't need it here. And I do have other accounts where we are pros, where we now will transfer everything over to you. So here, put in your credit card or your billing information, and they will charge you $10 a month. So it's very affordable. It goes month by month. You can cancel anytime. So it's $10 per month. And this feature lets us tap in really into the tool, activating anything and everything so that we can using it to the fullest extent to bring your customers the best service you can provide and the best experience you can give them. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. Go into settings. Then another tab's open, go into billings, and here you upgrade to the pro account. It will ask you a few questions, upgrade. I will not do so because my credit card is already on file for my account. So this is pretty quick. Let me know when everything is done, and then we can move forward and installing you all the conversation, listing, search, what they now can do out of your messenger.